What's up guys, 2018 Toyota RAV4. What we're gonna do, what we're gonna show you guys is how to remove the blower motor. So first of all, put your seat back by pulling this, and the seat should go back. You have enough clearance. So right down here, you're gonna have this cover right here. So what you wanna do, you wanna start from here, you wanna push this in, use a screwdriver or something I could do with hand, and you pull this out. Same thing here, push this tab in and pull this down, and then you slide this out, and this little notch here sits into that little square hole right there. So your blower motor is pretty much right here. Okay, let's get this out of the way first. And to take out the blower motor, it's gonna be a very simple procedure here. So let's remove this connector first. You want to push on this tab right here and pull on. Try not to yank on the cables. You can grab them, the thicker cable, the little one, don't try to pull back out on it. Make sure your keys and everything is off. Let's stick this to the side. So right now we have 8mm there, 8mm here, and an 8mm there, or a Phillips head screwdriver. So these cables are all on the way, and to get these cables out of the way, we're gonna have to remove this bracket, which is held in by a screw down here. Okay, so let's do that first. Then we will have a lot of access. You can even kind of yank on this, but let's get that out of the way first. So we got that sitting there, the camera. So the little screw right back over here, I'm gonna fish it with this Phillips head screwdriver, counterclockwise. Okay, see, it starts to move immediately, and it's ready to come down. Okay, just like that. Oh, not all the way, it's not out all the way yet. So Phillips head screwdriver, I'm just using this stubby screwdriver here. See that, out of the way. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna go get an 8mm. Here we are, 8mm, using a power tool, counterclockwise. Okay, there was another one here somewhere. Where did it go? I can't see it. Oh, right here, over here. When you're putting this back together, you got to go easy, and that's how the blower motor come down, just like that. That's how simple this is. Okay, so to put this back in, this is just demonstration. Sometimes you'll have some leaf stuff in it, you won't make a sound, so you want to check that too. So to put this back in, get yourself an original motor. Aftermarket is just going to be crappy. This is going to have to line with that. So what I want to do is just a reverse procedure. This is just a tutorial here, so guys, pay attention. Okay, so what I want to do is I want to kind of snug that one bolt in at least. That way it's holding in its spot. Can't go crazy with the tool, okay, because the tool will rip the threading apart. So take it easy, hand tight or so. But you could use a flathead screwdriver also on these. Okay, there you go. So I'm gonna go easy on these. There you go. One. There you go. I felt it. There you go. So that's in, and I'm gonna get my power tool out of the way. So now what I need to do is I need to kind of align this. There's two little notches that's gonna have to go in there. So let's start up the screw, and then we can find the notches by just turning it once it's almost in there. There you go, that's the position it's gonna be in. Okay, it came out. Okay, there you have it. So far, bada bing, bada boom. We're gonna bring our camera out a little bit so we can see the connector. Do not forget to put the connector in. Okay, make sure it clicks. Now you could test it to see if your blower motor works, and if it does, you want to take this cover which has to kind of be sitting here and also be all the way back there. Okay, let's see if I could do both. There you go, and then this thing snaps right in. Bada bing, bada boom. Thank you for watching my video, and don't forget to subscribe, share, and like. See you guys on the next video. This was only demonstration purposes, so get yourself a new blower motor and replace it if you need to. Do check power and everything. Make sure you sometimes take off this cover. Sometimes you just banging on it with the key on high full speed. Sometimes the motor is stuck and the contacts are cannot turn it over. By doing that, we'll come back on. Thank you for watching, and bye bye.